Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I am Mohini and I make videos to fashion, travel, lifestyle videos and a lot more, and it feels so different for me to sit here and talk to you guys because बहुत टाइम से सिर्फ ट्रैवल वीडियोस और व्लॉग्स जा रहे हैं और मैंने इसको सिट डाउन वीडियो करी नहीं है. आई एम फिल्मिंग आफ्टर like 2 weeks and it just feels amazing and I'm happy to be back. And as you must have read by the title, इस वीडियो में we will be discussing about my monthly favorites, my June favorites, and you guys seem to enjoy these monthly favorites and I personally love doing this. This is like a documentation of my whole month. I just bring out all the things together and I share it with you guys, and it's mostly helpful for you also. So if you want to know what were my highlights of the June, then let's get started. Okay guys, so let's start with a very amazing range I've been using. This is by Lakme. This is their vitamin C range, which comes with the vitamin C serum, then day cream and night cream. I have been using these products since like 25-30 days now and I have seen a difference, so I thought why not share it with you guys because these are like actually my favorites. I also posted a story on the day I got it and a lot of you said ki iska review dena, so here we are with the review of this. So the vitamin C serum does not have like oranges wala serum. It has the Kakadu plum wala serum, which is 100 times more than the serum of oranges, and it's really good. So what I've been doing since some days for my skincare routine is that I've been using the vitamin C serum after washing my face. This is very lightweight, non-greasy, non-oily, very easily absorbable, and it's just so, the texture is so amazing. I use the serum and then I use the day cream. So this is also the vitamin C day cream, and as I see in the light, only this much is left. I've used like the full bottle. I think it empties. Maybe आपको जल्दी देखने वाली है. And the serum also, if you can see, I've used like half of it. Can you see that? So this just says that I have actually used this product. These products have made my skin brighter and there's no dullness, and it repairs also your skin. Like vitamin C is anyway very great for your skin. So let's talk a little about the serum. So the serum has, like I told you, Kakadu plum. The serum does not only have vitamin C, it also has vitamin E, which is even better for your skin. The day cream has shea butter, vitamin C and vitamin E, which are all great for your skin, and like shea butter also moisturizes very well, so you do not have to apply another moisturizer. But if your skin is very dry, then do apply another moisturizer. Otherwise I just use my Lakme Sun Expert SPF 50 PA++. ये मेरे इस मंथ की फेवरेट्स में इसलिए नहीं क्योंकि मैं लास्ट टाइम आपको दिखा चुकी हूँ, बट मैं फिर से दिखा रही हूँ बिकॉज इट्स रियली गुड. ये भी मेरी ऑलमोस्ट more than half use हो चुकी है. This is the only sunscreen I took for my Palampur trip, which we'll come to later. So I use the day cream and the serum in the day, and at night after removing my makeup and doing all that jazz, I use the serum again, and after that I use the night cream, and this is their vitamin C night cream. And if I can see, ये भी सिर्फ इतनी बची है, so I have used these products a lot. The night cream does not only have shea butter, it also has muru butter and glycerine, which also hydrates your face. And I think for night you need intense hydration, and this does the job for that, so that's amazing. I'm in love with the packaging also. This range in general is amazing, and I have seen a difference, so I thought you should also try this out. Let's talk about the pricing now. These are like very decently priced. This is for 549 rupees. The day cream is for 349 rupees and the night cream is for 400 rupees, 399. And I think this is like very decently priced, and if you get these three products, the combination works amazing on your skin and you will see a difference. So that's a yay. Also talking about the fragrance, it's like very mild. It's not at all fragrant, I will say. The serum is not fragrant, but the cream does definitely has a little bit of fragrance that is very mild, but it has like a citrusy fragrance, and I think it's because of the vitamin C, so that just says it all. These products just make your skin very soft and supple, and also helps in collagen production. All of the products in this range have like a vitamin C in 2% active concentrate, and I think that's a good proportion because I've heard that there should not be more active concentrate than 2 or 3%, so that's amazing. So I'm not going to get anything out of this, but if you use the coupon code on the screen right now, you will get an amazing discount, and that's amazing. And now let's talk about all the other favorites we have for this month. The next monthly favorite I have with you is this Pilgrim body lotion. This is super lightweight, like in summers. You guys know in general that I am huge on body lotions and body butters. I love using them like all the time, but for summers I need something very lightweight, which is hydrating, but it's not greasy, and this has done the job for me. I've done a full review on Pilgrim product, so if you haven't seen that, check that out. But this is like one of my favorite products from the Pilgrim range, and I've been enjoying it since. The next product which I have with me is this electric shaver right here. So this comes with like two heads, and like one is this and one is a pointed one. This is operated with a battery like a normal regular pencil cell, and the other head is for eyebrows, and this is for like upper lips. And I will say only this head like works, that head is of no use, that is just a waste of money. But milte hi dono ikatthe hi hain. I think I got this from Amazon for like 500-600 rupees, and I think it's worth it for your upper lips but not at all for eyebrows. But मैं तो वैसे खर्च चुकी हूँ तो मेरे लिए चल रहा है, but मतलब it's very hassle free for your upper lips, and I think you can carry it. It's so beautiful also, and इसमें एक लाइट भी जलती है, like ये ऐसे है ना, इसको ऐसे ऊपर क्लिक करेंगे तो ऑन हो जाएगा. Can you hear the voice? I'm not sure if you can, but the blade has started running, and yeah, basically it's a shaver, so it's not gonna take your hair from within, but it's just gonna cut it from the upper surface, and I think it does the job. I anyway shave my face, so that's a yeah, and I really like it for my upper lips. The next product which I have with me right here is this phone right here. I also made a video on the day I got it, and I got the iPhone 12 Pro Max, and I'm in love with this phone. This just has brought my Instagram game to another level. Like the quality is amazing. My YouTube quality was anyway great only, I'll say, क्योंकि already camera से film होता था और उसी में laptop पे edit होके upload होता था. But with my Instagram content, it was like I used to film in my camera only, but then जब वो edit phone में होके phone से upload होता था, the quality used to just go so down. But iPhone की quality is really good, so that just helps me a lot. The next thing is related to my phone only. This is a phone stand. So basically this is a suction thing, and ये आपके vacuums create करके आपके गाड़ी के शीशे पे लग जाती है. And this is where you can keep your phone. If you have seen my Palampur vlogs, you have seen बहुत सारे road के clips हैं, वो सब इस पे shoot किए गए हैं. I got this just so that I can vlog very easily, और मैं regularly vlog करती रहूँ जहाँ भी जाऊँ, because now I can vlog with my phone, so why not? So I thought this is going to be of great help, so I got this. This also I got from Amazon for like 400 rupees. If you want, let me know. I'll put up a link in the description. Next up, like we have already talked about it, my trip. Like I went to Palampur, I went to Beed, I went to Barot. All of the three places were like very, very amazing. The vlogs are up before this video, so make sure you've seen that. And I hope you enjoyed the journey with me, because it was like very amazing. I traveled after so long, and we made sure that we don't want to go to a place like McLeodganj, Shimla, Manali, because I knew that कि सब पहुंचे होंगे. And we also made sure कि हम weekdays में travel करें, weekend पे नहीं. Like on Sunday we were at home, on Saturday we were traveling back. So we went there for like Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday and Friday were the 3 full days जो हम वहाँ पे थे. And I think that makes a lot of difference, because हम बहुत कम लोगों को हम मिले, and बहुत कम लोगों से encounter हुआ, and it was great. And if you want to travel, so I think कि यार अपनी safety बहुत important है. तुम weekends पे मत जाओ, weekdays पे चले जाओ, थोड़ी less crowded places पे जाओ, ताकि you encounter less people and encounter less virus. And the next favorite is paragliding. Oh my god, I was so scared, you guys, and I am not sure if I'll do it again or not, because I was super scared, but I still did it. Like, you have to see the paragliding video. Oh my god. But that was like a once in a lifetime achievement, and I did it. It is the world's second highest paragliding site, and your girl did it. So pat on my back. Now it's time for my Netflix favorites. So I've been watching Working Moms, and now I think I'm on 6th or 7th episode, but it's really fun. It's really relatable, and not really relatable because I'm not a mom, but I think उसमें ना लड़कियों की struggle दिखाई है कि what girls are up to. Like they have their kid also, they have their husbands also, they have to look after the family also, then they're working also. So that's really good, I feel, and it's giving me a lot of motivation for my future self. And I'm really enjoying that series. So yeah, and Bold Type का last episode में देख चुकी हूँ. It was really amazing. And now it's time for the fashion favorite of the month. So I didn't do a lot of shopping this month, but the only fashion favorite I have is this bag right here. This is Bottega Veneta style. So it's like all over Instagram. It's so pretty, and Instagram store only sent it to me. I'm gonna leave the link in the description. Go check them out. They have some pretty amazing bags, and they're very, very affordable also. I'm in love with this bag. This is the only bag except my tote and my attachi which I took on my trip. This is the only handbag basically I took. It's very, very spacious. इसमें मेरा कैमरा आ जाता है, फ़ोन आ जाता है, वॉलेट आ जाता है, और लिपस्टिक आ जाती है, और एक परफ्यूम भी आ जाता है. So that's amazing because मुझे mainly यही सब चीज़ें चाहिए होती है when I'm traveling. Mask भी obviously, है ना? तो वो सब इसमें आ जाता है. I also shared this bag in my trendy summer accessories you need in 2021. So if you haven't seen that video, check that out. And also there's like one more thing which I want to share for the June month, which is I started creating more fashion content for YouTube. I hope you guys are liking it, and if you're liking it, comment करके बता दो मुझे, ठीक है? And I'll see you guys in another one. I hope you guys like this video. Do not forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel. I'll see you guys in another one. And I think बोल दिया ना मैंने. Okay, bye.